Hey, what is up? It's Clockyy. Trades here, back at with another video. Just to say that this is gonna be a video about BlackBerry and the run up it sort of had yesterday, as well as AMC and GameStop. But today we're gonna talk about BlackBerry and what I still think is possible as a price target, and what I'm holding as positions as well. So if we look at BB right now, and I'm not a financial advisor, this is just for entertainment purposes only. And if you haven't liked and subscribed, don't forget to do so. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Bada bing, bada boom. Nah, I'm just messing. But BlackBerry. So BlackBerry is at 14.24. It closed, but it was trading at around a 14.17. So it really didn't move that much, considering it did kind of trade sideways, but it did dip as well throughout the half of the day, which it dipped around a low of 13.62, which is kind of low, but it's also some nice support to where BlackBerry could have fallen down to. But it kind of went up because of AMC and GameStop, so they kind of went up today, as so as BlackBerry. So BlackBerry is kind of like a follower, I guess you can say. If you look at the charts on BlackBerry, right now it hasn't broken its wedge formation yet. It's still on a bull flag, and I really do think that we could see a breakout maybe Monday, possibly Tuesday. If it continues on the trend of AMC and BlackBerry of GameStop, it can very well define that and probably go back up to, I would say, $15. If we get back to the $15 range, I really do think we can get back to $20, which it has hit right around here on June 3rd. So I really do think that we can actually just blow that out of the water and go to a new all-time high if they also go to an all-time high, like I said, AMC and GameStop. So I mean, as you can see, there are channels that are going down to a bullish channel. I could even make this even bigger, cancel all these out, and just make a big bullish channel to where it will eventually break out and start to go up. I do see that happening starting now. Like I said, it hasn't broken out of its wedge formation yet. The RSI is a little high. It's not too high, but I really do think it has a lot of room to grow. The volume is pretty decent as well. I mean, obviously it's been dropped drastically considering where it was at around $20. If we look at Shift Search and actually look at BlackBerry, we can see yesterday there was 2.4 million contracts that were bought yesterday. So there's 1.8 million calls, but it's actually about 75%, it looks like, of the pie chart, and then 559,000.8K puts that were bought. So I really do think, or actually that's this week, not even yesterday. I'm stupid. It's okay. Don't worry about it. But yeah. So basically that's pretty nice though. 75% chance people are basically saying it will go up within a week from now, all the way up to next month. So as you can see, the most bought contract is for an average cost of 73 cents, so $73 per contract, and that is the June 11th $20 call. So people are really betting on it can go to $15, $20 by next week, which it very much can. So I do see, if you guys haven't like used this at all, I would highly recommend this. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. But yeah, so there's just you can actually click on the certain blocks and the certain dates. So for example, if you had a January 21st, 2022 for a $40 call, well, you can click on that and it says volume by day. So this week there's 9.2K calls are bought for the $40 strike price, and there was 41 puts basically this week, which I think it can very well surpass $40 by January 21st. I am not like saying that it can, but I'm saying that it could very much well be, as if the other ones follow in the squeeze. So this short squeeze, these borrowed shares that people are saying that once those are brought back, once those are canceled out, the stocks of AMC, GameStop, even BlackBerry could very much go surpass the levels that are now, because people or hedge funds are just betting it to go down and wanting them to go bankrupt. That's why people now are finally seeing this. Obviously this stuff's happened before in the past, but not as it is today, because of the whole social media, internet is now out, so people are seeing the trends more. They are seeing certain stocks that are being shorted, and they are pumping that on Wall Street Bets, on YouTube, on media in general, and I it's just more of a saying of like, hey, we're here, we can see what you're doing, just letting you know that we can control the market too. That's basically what's saying. Obviously, we don't have billions and billions of dollars, but it's just saying the average investor can still see things that you guys are doing wrong. That's how I see where the market's going, which technically means that you really can't tell, or you can't see what's a true value of a stock, but you can still predict what the actual value of a stock should be. Obviously, like these, they just know that, hey, it's a business of phones, that, hey, it's a bad business, it's this so and so. But honestly, BlackBerry doesn't make any phones anymore. It's in cybersecurity, and it's going to start making some stuff, or it has been in EVs. So obviously for the future, cybersecurity and EV technology, such as the dashboard, the AI, stuff like that's going to be very, very important for the future of people driving, of public transportation as well. So that's what I see with BlackBerry. Now back to the chart. Like I said, it can possibly break next week. It is on a support line right there, so it can definitely pass. My price prediction for next week could possibly go up to $15, if not 15.50. But yeah, I guess time will tell on where the stock can go. I'm holding 121 contracts, but that's about half because of spreads, how they add that. I'm down 3.4K. I'm not worried because those are my contracts of $40 calls. I have 23 of them. They're going for $161. I kind of bought them kind of high at 3 something. So that is why I'm down. But I'm holding some 13.50, some 13 put credit spreads for next week. So that's what I'm holding. And let me know if you guys are holding anything down in the description. If you guys are holding contracts or holding spreads or holding puts calls, just let me know what you're holding. And yeah, let's see where the stock goes. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, it really means a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.